Is your Optimum cable box remote not working? Don't worry, most issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. Start with the basics. The most common cause is weak or dead batteries. Remove the battery cover and replace them with fresh ones, making sure the plus and minus ends match the markings inside the compartment. Even if the remote lights up, low battery power can prevent it from sending a strong signal. Next, check for obstructions between the remote and your Optimum cable box. Standard remotes use infrared, which requires a clear line of sight. Remove any objects blocking the front of the box. If you're using a Bluetooth remote, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the cable box, since these remotes don't rely on line of sight but do require pairing. If it still doesn't respond, reboot your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This often clears communication glitches. For pairing issues, hold the setup button until the LED blinks, then follow the on-screen instructions or enter your TV manufacturer code. If volume isn't working, press the TV button to ensure the remote is in TV mode. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on the remote and repair it. As a final step, contact Optimum support for a replacement if needed.